In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach a document to a page, blog post, or email in HubSpot step by step. Whether you want to add a downloadable PDF, a guide, a brochure, or any other document, this method works quickly and keeps everything organized inside HubSpot. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload your file, generate a link, and attach it properly so your visitors can download it without any issues. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to your main dashboard. From the home area, you'll need to access your file manager because that's where all uploaded documents are stored. In the top navigation menu, look for Files and click on it. This will open the HubSpot File Manager, where you can upload and manage PDFs, images, and other downloadable assets. Once you're inside the Files section, click on Upload Files. Then select the PDF or document from your computer that you want to attach. After you choose the file, HubSpot will upload it and store it securely in your file library. When the upload is complete, your document will appear in the list of files. At this point, the file is hosted in HubSpot and ready to be linked anywhere on your website, blog, or marketing email. Next, navigate to the page, blog post, or email where you want to add the document. Open the editor for that specific content. Inside the editor, you'll need to add a rich text module, if there isn't one already, in the area where you want the download link to appear. Simply insert a rich text module and drag and drop it into position on your layout. Now, inside the rich text module, type the text that you want users to click on. For example, you can write something like download the PDF, get the free guide, or access the document. Make the wording clear so visitors know exactly what they're clicking. After typing your text, select all of it with your cursor. Then click on the link icon in the toolbar. This will open the link settings window. Now go back to your Files tab, find the document you uploaded, and copy its file URL. Return to the link settings pop-up and paste the file URL into the link field. Once pasted, click Insert to apply the link to your selected text. Your text is now clickable and connected directly to the document stored in HubSpot. Finally, click Update or Publish, depending on whether you're editing a live page or a draft. This step is very important because your changes won't be visible to visitors until you update or publish the content. And that's it. You've successfully attached a document to a page, blog post, or email in HubSpot. Now your visitors can easily download your PDF or resource with a single click. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.